Hi everyone, today we have this tree decoration. I think this is a little bird. I don't know whether it's a traditional decoration or whether it's just something Rita has made up. So I'm just going to have to colour it the way I want to colour it. I'm going to start off with the crown and use the cadmium yellow to just colour it in really brightly. Like that. Lots of fun. Now the main bird, I have been thinking about the colour. I'm really not sure. I don't know if it really matters what colour I do it. I'm thinking I might just do it blue, just because we've got loads. We've got a little bit of blue above, but not tons of blue on this in this area of this page. And I think I might go for some of the sort of turquoisey blue colours, so they're a little bit different to colours we've used before. So I'm going to start with this one. It's called actually Cobalt Green, but that's blue, I think. And I'm going to do the head part first. Now I want to make this look like it might be slightly metallic. Doing a metallic coloured item is quite difficult, but I'm going to do my best. So I'm going to do a hard layer here and then start to fade it towards the middle. If you colour over the eye by mistake, don't worry, you can go over it in a black pen, like a fine liner or any sort of pen, even a biro, and leave a bit of white in the middle and hope that looks like a shine. I think I need to take it up slightly up here. So I'm just using my eraser to take back a bit of that colour. I think that's better. I'm also going to continue with this colour through this bit here. I think what I'm going to do is do it a little bit lighter and then fill in the darker area once I've established where that shine is going to be there, and then just fill in this dark line. Sorry, my voice is losing me. I've been recording quite a bit this morning and I think that's why. But that's okay, it's fun. I need to get a little bit ahead and I've had a lot of fun. Okay, so this side, again, I'm still using this colour within this part. I'm going to do the same again that I did before, so start off light and then work out where we want it to be shiny and then fill in our darker bits. Hopefully that looks a little shiny. So that's that one. I'm going to grab a darker blue. Well, this is called Cobalt Turquoise. And I'm going to do some of the details, like this piece on the neck. So I'm going to do a harder layer here. We want to fade it towards that shine. We need it to shine in the same way that the rest does, like that. I'm going to do a line here. So again, nice and dark there. Reduce it to where the shine is. And do the same from this side. Yeah, I'm going to do that one as well. And these guys are going to have a shine a slightly different way, like that. So a bit darker towards the bottom and shiny on the top. And these the same. Now I'm trying to think about what to do with that loop above them, this round bit. We really want to continue that shine through there. So I'm going to do a little bit there. It's going to go through there. We're not going to have much down here. I think that might be right. Sort of through there. And then we're going to use our lightest blue for that centre part, which looks a bit like a saddle. This is light cobalt turquoise. And think about the shine's going to go through here and here. This is going to be dark here and down here, and then lighter as we work our way down or up. Don't want to leave a massive white gap, but we want to leave some shininess. There. I think that'll do. That's. I think I might just take my cobalt turquoise and just close that gap there just slightly. There. Just being a bit fussy, but I think I'm happy. I am going to make his eye black though, because it doesn't stand out very much. I'm going to try with the black pencil and see whether it shows up enough. Yeah, there we go. I'm happy with that. Now we have got these dots around here, but I can't make them white because we've got white here. It'll just disappear and we haven't got a very dark colour. So I'm going to leave them black. You could overemphasize them with a black pen or more black, but I'm going to leave them as they are. I'm happy. So that's him done. Really, he was quite quick, but I'm sure you've got lots to do. 21st, your schools may have broken up, may not. I think mine have got a couple of days left. Still, I'm not entirely sure, I don't think. Anyway, but there we go. So there's our little ornament done. So join me tomorrow and we'll be doing number 22. So thank you so much for watching and happy colouring.